What if I say to you that this video is gonna make your quarantine more interesting and fun? Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to share with you the best courses that are absolutely free during this quarantine. If you want to see more from me, be sure to hit that subscribe button and also press on the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new videos. Some of these courses may increase your chances at getting that pay raise or may add up to that section of your resume which will make it stand out. At least it would be fun to learn how to develop games and apps. Let's jump into the topic right away. With the virus on the prowl and many governments have announced a lockdown, most students are left idle at homes. To help students utilize their free time, many universities have come forward to provide free courses for people of any age group. So without any further ado, let's see what are these universities and what are the courses they are offering. Do watch the video till the end, for I am going to give you a bonus tip at the end of this video. First one is the Harvard University. This renowned university has come up with several interesting courses at free of cost. Some top ones include Introduction to Game Development, Web Programming with Python and JavaScript, Mobile App Development with React Native. These are absolutely free and can be completed at your own pace. However, you have to pay a certain amount for receiving a certificate, which can be avoided as you can gain knowledge from this course. Even if you want to get the certificate, you can pay the amount and receive the post. The next one is the TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. This tech company has come up with a module to help students prepare for an interview. But actually, this module has way too many features to it that can be used by all and be benefited by it. Yes, it's also completely free. All the links are given in the description below. Some of the course highlights include artificial intelligence, soft skills, etc. You can subscribe to the course by using Google or Facebook. The details about the course are given over here. The course format is actually self-paced and the session durations are 2 weeks. And the commitment for each week is 12 hours. And at a total of 24 hours, you can complete this course. The course you have subscribed to can be accessed from the dashboard. Unlike the previous one, you do get a certificate free of cost at the completion of this course. This course is well structured and I think you should give it a go. The third one on the row is a course offered by Academy. The course is named as UI and Web Design. This is a course on demand. And in this page, you can schedule your classes and timing for your convenience. This academy also has an app which would come in handy if you want to check this course out. I am not paid to say this by the academy. This is in the sole purpose of sharing worthwhile courses to you during this quarantine. You can receive the soft copy of the certificate by paying an addition of Rs 1500. And as a thank you for watching the video till the end, you are getting a bonus. The fourth one is not actually a course. This is actually a PDF file which contains all the download links for the books on science and technology. This is an initiative by Springer eBooks. These books are sold for a price on Amazon and here they are for free. See if any book catches your attention. There are 408 books covering vast majority of subjects. Sorry guys, this is not for all the fiction and non-fiction lovers out there. I am bringing a separate video on how to download any ebook for free. If I get 100 likes on this. And all the books can be downloaded in the PDF format. Again, all the links are in the description below. Have you decided to pursue any of the courses said in this video? Do let me know in the comments. If you have watched the video till this point, please write MQP in the comments below. Most people will have no idea what it stands for, but we will know that you have watched the video till the end. Do follow me on Instagram to get a sneak peek of upcoming videos. This is Starboy signing out. Stay home, stay safe.